I'm Mike East, the owner of Smart Level, and I'm going to take a few minutes to show you or compare the Smart Level to a laser and the other types of equipment that are out there. Smart Level does everything that a laser does. It just does it quicker, easier, it's simple, fast. You've got a digital readout right here. It's also on the screen. So all of your readings are recorded in the screen as well as shown on the screen. You can view your readings. We can do 3D mapping, which is extremely complicated. Nobody else on the market does that. You can see the topographical map that we created here. You can send this into a CAD program and do anything with the data that you want to once you get it there. Like I say, you can email that just like you email anything else from your iPhone. Delete that draft and go back to our readings again. And everything that you see on the level, you have recorded in the phone. We have several advanced functions such as compass, percent of slope, scientific engineering, range function, all of those way too complicated to get into right now, but we will do that in separate videos. But what I want to show you now is the way we use the Smart Level is wherever you set this becomes your reference point. I'm going to hold this down and zero it. You hear the little zero, and that's just going to show you like we did before that we've got about 22 inches up here. I can zero it here if I want. Anywhere you set this and set your 0 point, that's where you start again. So we zeroed this, it's just going to show you that's 22 inches higher. We can zero it on the gravel, and if we zeroed it here, we could go all the way around back to the back of this building by going around, over, or behind anything that we wanted to. Another huge advantage over a laser is Smart Level doesn't have to have a clear line of sight. We could take this level right now and go up over all of these beams, this wood, and tell if the background was in the same height as this, if we were going up, how many steps we would need and what have you. There's no story pole. You see we're 39 inches or so higher than the ground. If you were figuring this with a story pole, you would be adding or subtracting to the reading that the laser line was hitting on that story pole. There's no addition and subtraction to this. You don't have to set this directly on the ground. You can put it on a monopod. We've got a little attachment for that. If you're doing the 3D mapping, I put a little piece of Velcro on, so we've got everything is attached in some one-hand operation. And I'll show you how to create those 3D maps and some really cool functions once we get that into CAD in some other short videos. So this is a quick intro. All of the advanced functions have separate videos for those, and there's a lot of really cool things that the level can do if you want to. But it's as simple as just sitting it down, turning it on, and zeroing it. Anyone can use this. I've had a 10-year-old kid level up a swimming pool with her parents. I got such a kick out of it. She literally leveled the subgrade, and she was 10 years old. So this is super easy to use. It comes with a case, monopod, app, and this is like I say, it's a scientific instrument. This is an industrial computer. So as advances come out, all we have to do is just upload like you would your laptop and upgrade the firmware, and anything that comes out comes into your level. You never go out of date. It's designed to typically last anywhere from 8 to 10 years before you'll ever have to even think about buying any kind of an upgrade. So I'll shoot the link and where to order this and all that information at the end of this video. Thank you very much.